Welcome back, everybody. It's Todd. We're here on the back porch in Colorado. Temperature's hovering around 0 degrees, but it's a gorgeous sunny day and there's no wind. What do I have here? Delicious Rocky Mountain elk meatballs. And I got the Blackstone Griddle steaming hot. Let's make elk smash burger sliders. Alright, Blackstone just happens to have a brand new infrared thermometer with a meat probe. So let's come on in here. A lot of people, a lot of newbies especially, always want to know what the temperature of the griddle top is. So there we are. It's a cold day around 0, but I'm up in the 600s, high 500s to 600. One of my recommendations is to use Blackstone wind guards. These came out 4 years ago, maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, and since then I never leave home without them. I never cook on the back porch without them. You can get them in 36 and in 48-inch sizes. Of course, one of my own little quirks, my recommendations, my rule of thumb is a little bit of oil before you start cooking. Rub it into your griddle top, and I personally believe that it helps with the appearance of your griddle top, makes it look gorgeous, fills in those spots, and helps it keep evenly, or helps it keep an even seasoning. So these are 80-20. We process our own elk meat. 80% lean trimmed organic Rocky Mountain elk with 10% bacon and 10% beef fat or beef suet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are really cool. So I'm going to use my fingers. Come on in. These are pickled Vidalia onions, straight down on top. We are kind of still in a play from the playbook of the Oklahoma onion burger here, folks. So that's what we got going on. Right down on the meatball. Parchment paper, Blackstone's press and sear burger tool, available at Walmart. All right, here we go. Straight down on the griddle top. Look at that. Oh, those Vidalia onions are going to be really nice in there. Starting out with kosher salt. Black pepper. For me, I like it finely ground. Fine ground black pepper. And lastly, a little bit of granulated garlic. Of course, you could season these any which way you want to. And of course, Blackstone's whiskey burger seasoning works perfect. Blackstone's hamburger spatula, the new design with the pronounced area there that you could completely actually press them with if you wanted to. Check it out. In there and flip. Look at that. Look at that caramelization, friends. That's what you want right there. These are messy. We'll throw those extra onions on top. Look at that. And I'm going to jump straight in here. This is some Boar's Head Havarti dill cheese, okay? I'm going to put this down on these patties. Actually, let's use up whatever we have here. So we'll double it up here. Grab a little bit of water down on the griddle top. Close that hood. All right, let's see if that cheese is melted. All right, Blackstone's brand new warming rack, folks. We're going to use this while we toast our buns. So put this down on the back like so. These patties are done. Grab those patties right there and those onions, put them up on top. And let's grab our buns over here. These are brioche buns. I put just a tiny bit of butter on the insides of those. Here we go. It's extra cold today. So these buns are starting to freeze, friends. So I'm going to put one more dose of water in here so we can steam those buns. All right. The buns are thawed out, which is good. And they got a gorgeous little toast on there as well. So down with the heel and a little bit of mayo on there, like so. Some mustard. I've been loving this Nathan's Deli style mustard. A little bit of that down there on the heel. And lettuce, iceberg lettuce, which is actually ice cold iceberg lettuce. Oh my goodness, it is very, very cold, friends. And let's grab those patties. So let's go with that delicious elk smash burger patty. It's got those caramelized Vidalia pickled onions on there with the Havarti dill with the Havarti dill cheese and the crown on top. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try. I better put my platter down so I could pick these up. First thing I'm noticing is sliders just look so beautiful. Doesn't it look perfect? And it doesn't look like I'm overindulging, by the way. And look at that gorgeous, gorgeous brioche bun. My goodness, I mean, that is just what you want to eat. Oh, shut up, here we go. My neighbor is shoveling snow, scraping the driveway. You don't need to do the Vidalia onions, by the way. You don't need to do pickled onions. You can do jalapenos. Do whatever you want. That's one thing I like to do in my videos. I like to mix it up. If you like ketchup, use ketchup. Mustard, use mustard. Mayo, use mayo. Use whatever you want to use. Don't get bent out of shape. But look at that. I mean, that is perfection, man. That is the reason why I'm an elk hunter. Love the adventure. I grew up hunting. Love everything about it. We process our own meat. But man, that's why we do it, because we love to eat it. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you're interested in Blackstone's brand new infrared thermometer meat probe, you can pick that up at Walmart. Same goes with the brand new press and sear, the redesigned press and sear burger tool. I've got a little demo on how to do it here like a week or so ago on my channel, so check that out. But until next time, everybody, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the elk smash burger sliders.